Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about the importance of keeping your chainsaw clean and well-maintained. Let's dive right in! First up, let's take a look at a chainsaw that hasn't been cleaned in a while. You can see the buildup of dirt and grime, which can lead to a variety of issues, such as reduced performance and even engine damage. So it's crucial to keep your chainsaw clean and free of debris. Now, let's take a look at a chainsaw that's been properly cleaned and maintained. You can see how much cleaner and smoother it looks. This is what your chainsaw should look like after every use. Remember, a well-maintained chainsaw is a safer and more efficient tool. So make sure to clean your chainsaw regularly and keep it in good working order.
Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy sawing!